Hey everybody out there in Misfits land, this is Lord Twisted coming your way again. Gonna do another how-to video. This topic is going to cover adding an avatar to your mini profile area to the left-hand side of anything you post on the forum. And also, it's an image that you can use to personalize your personal profile area on the forum as well. It's a twofer. So without any further ado, let's jump on in there and get you an avatar. Just follow these steps and you'll have one too. Of course, you're going to need a web browser. Of course, anything for the forum, web browser. If you've been there, you got one, you got it handled. Let's go. Top row, there's Chrome. Tapping on it. There's our forum right there. But right now, we're not going to be so concerned about the forum and jumping into anything on there. It's just there to kind of look pretty. We're going to go to what I prefer as a hosting site for imagery. Funky Image. You'll have your own. Photo Bucket, Grease Monkey, all that other kind of image hosting sites on the internet. They basically all do the same and they have the same options that I'm showing you here. So I'm going to need an image to post on my personal profile area on the forum. Right here, you want to have select from local storage on your left-hand side, upper left. You're going to have that gray box right there from local storage. And then over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see browse. Let's click on browse. And then it's going to ask you a choice of where does this website go to get your photo you want hosted. I am going to select Photos, Google Photos. And right here, I got one. It's in my pictures. And the one right up above, that's the one I want, me sitting there in the chair. So tap on that. Over in the upper right-hand corner, it says Done. And right in this area now, you're going to see it's a JPEG, FB image, file name, .jpeg. You're going to see its file size. Right down here below, you're going to see Upload Images. That's what you want to upload that image. So click on it. And there we go. There's all those wonderful options as far as what type of hyperlink, web link, or web address to choose from. I use direct link, or at least that's. So I will highlight direct link. This option above comes up, cut, copy, paste, select all, hit copy. And now jump back on your web browser to the left. And we're right back in our forum system. Now up above, you're going to see underneath the Misfits fleet and that little custom image up above, you're going to see these little buttons right here. Home, help, search, members, admin, profile, all that kind of stuff. Hit profile. Opens you up to your profile summary page. As you can see, I unloaded everything. This is stock as if it would be just shortly after I created this place. This is the way it looks. You see, it's got the stock image right up here, and it's got no signature down below. So right up in here, you're going to want Edit Profile. Click on that. Okay, on the right-hand side, you're going to see the words Upload Link. Click on that. And now, I go into here, and the link's already going to have the HTTP. So what I do is I delete that. I hold my finger in there until it says paste, and now it gives me the host link from the hosting site, and now it is preloaded into the forum. And now just below the address, you're going to see link image. Click on link image. Ta-da! The image on the left-hand side has changed from the default stock little, no-faced guy to the one I want to use. Now, make sure in this area it says use only the uploaded link. Make sure that button is pressed, and then when you are done with that, hit Save Avatar Changes. And you'll see the green saved. That indicates now it's saved. Now you can test it out. Go up to Profile. Ta-da! There's my image there again. So my avatar is up and running again. You need a off-site image hosting site, and Funky Image can be one of them. Photo Bucket can be one of them. Anything. They all do the same thing. Whatever you prefer. It's all about what's easiest for you. Because I want this forum experience to go as pleasurable and as nice as possible. So use what you know. And that about does it as far as learning how to load an avatar in your personal profile area. Now the avatar will be displayed on anything you post within the forum on the far left hand side of what you post in the mini profile area. So just know that. So there you go, ladies and gents. You now know, if you followed these steps, you now have an avatar in your personal profile area here on the forum. It's been a pleasure. The next how-to video will cover how to load a signature into these forums. Have a good one. Until then, bye-bye.